Like the mythical Greek hero Hercules, the Rottweilers are strong and true with a loving heart. Affectionately called Rottis or Rots, the breed originated in Germany where it was used to drive cattle and pull carts for farmers and butchers. The heritage is reflected in the Rotti's broad chest and heavily muscled body. When he moves, it displays strength and stamina, but when you look into his eyes, you see a warm, dark brown pools reflecting a mellow, intelligent, alert, and fearless expression. A well-bred Rottweiler is calm and confident. He is typically aloof towards strangers but never timid or fearful. Rottweilers exhibit a wait-and-see attitude when confronted with new people and situations. When these characters come together, the Rottweiler is a natural guard dog with a mellow disposition who is successful not only in police, military and custom works but also as a family friend and protector. Rotties have a natural instinct to protect their families and can be ferocious in their defense. It's essential to channelize their power and protectiveness by providing early socialization, firm, fair, consistent training and leadership and a regular job to perform. When this doesn't happen, Rottweilers can become very dangerous rather than the companionable guardians they are meant to be. Rottweilers walk a fine line between protectiveness and aggressiveness. If they aren't carefully bred, intelligent, temperament and proper socialized and trained, they can become overly protective, which may become harmful to owners as well as others. That might sound like what you want, but Rottie who lacks the ability to discriminate is dangerous to everyone he encounters, not just bad guys. You must be able to provide your Rottweiler with leadership he can trust and respect without resorting to anger or physical force. Otherwise, he will take the role of a top dog for himself. He will become the king and he will start ruling you. But apart from all this, Rottweilers are not temperamentally unsound or inherently vicious according to the popular myth. Well-bred, well-socialized Rotties are very playful, gentle, loving to the families like any other breed. They are easy to train if treated with respect and make the great companions. Rottweilers require a couple of 10 to 20 minutes walk or playtime daily, otherwise they will get bored and destructive. Rottweilers have a double coat and shed heavily in spring and the fall and moderately throughout the rest of the year. Many Rottweilers snore. That can become a headache for owners. If their food intake is not monitored, Rotties have a tendency to overheat and can gain weight. To get a healthy puppy, never buy a puppy from irresponsible breeder. A good breeder will give you a good puppy that is very good in temperament. There are many myths about Rottweilers and many claim that they can be dangerous and you may have to carry extra liability insurance to own one. In some areas, you may not even be able to own a Rottweiler or may be forced to give up if you have one. But that's not the case. Rottweilers are very loving. They love people and want to be with their families. If they are left alone for long periods of time or don't receive that adequate exercise and love, they may become destructive. Males typically are 24 to 27 inches tall at the shoulder and weigh 95 to 130 pounds. Females are 22 to 25 inches tall at the shoulder and weigh 85 to 115 pounds. Major diseases that caused in Rottweilers are hip dysplasia, elbow dysplasia, aortic stenosis, subaortic stenosis, osteosarcoma, gastric dilatation, volvulus, also called bloat or torsion, panastitis, hypothyroidism, allergies. All this make it difficult for the pet owners to care, but if cared well, the breed is going to be the excellent one.